I really came to Capital One because I really wanted to get back to building things, specifically software. The first 10 years of my career I spent as an early employee in venture-backed startups, and then in consulting, helping other companies build software of their own. But really wanted to start to own something again. And so I started searching and I found Capital One. My name is Ron, and I'm a senior product manager on the Capital One software team. Capital One is a technology company. I think everybody thinks that we are a bank or a credit card issuer, and it turns out that we have a very robust technology stack. As a product manager, I spend a lot of time working across different areas of Capital One software. So part of my day might be spent working alongside the tech team, trying to understand and troubleshoot challenges or figure out what new features we're going to build. Capital One software takes technology, innovations, processes that we've built inside of Capital One, and we commercialize it and sell it to other companies. In the case of Databolt, which is our data security product that we launched in April 2025. So this product, Databolt, is actually an evolution of security technology that we use inside of Capital One today. And so as I came on board, my goal was to work with my teammates to basically get this into a place where we can launch it into the market. There's a certain rush to building something from scratch, but helping to deliver a product to market is very, very exciting. Not only did we launch Databolt, but we also launched several integrations for major partners. These companies have large data infrastructures that other organizations use, and they're using it for use cases such as AI, which shows how quickly things are evolving and rapidly developing Capital One software. We're building something that's totally different than what Capital One has built in the past. And we have different customers that are using that. So that startup vibe is like a key piece of Capital One software. There are lots of opportunities to experiment, potentially create your own patents, and to collaborate in various different internal conferences that folks can go and share the work that they're doing and collaborate, and then hopefully innovate more on their own. Capital One's been able to help me grow. Capital One actually has a wonderful education assistance program. And so once I started working for Capital One, I started my MBA. I take 1 to 2 classes a semester, and I'm learning things that I can apply to my daily job every day. So I appreciate how much Capital One puts effort into my growth. At Capital One, we're changing banking for good. When we think about Databolt, for example, and data security, we are trying to bring the best of Capital One and how we protect our customers in Capital One to the rest of the world.